Have you ever wondered why successful bloggers and affiliate marketers out there are making thousands or even millions in affiliate marketing? Yours just doesn't seem to work and get the result you want. Hi, my name is Jerry, founder of Smart Affiliate Success. Today, I'm going to share with you 7 secrets that you definitely need to know when choosing an affiliate program. In fact, having the right affiliate program to promote already allows you to win half of the battle. But before I reveal to you the 7 secrets, I just want to mention that I'm now offering a free gift for anyone who are serious about making money via affiliate marketing. This free gift is called the Proven 4-Step Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. I'll show you how to build your own affiliate marketing business from scratch in the most efficient way. So quickly grab your free copy below this video. Now, let's quickly dive into secret number 1. The affiliate program must be appealing to the mass. To ensure the affiliate program you are promoting is profitable, it needs to be popular and is accepted by people in the market. In other words, it must have a large target audience. Some people may argue otherwise in terms of lower competition. However, products appealing to the mass are proven to sell and convert, whilst products in a less competitive niche may not be popular because it is not what the majority wants. And now comes to secret number 2, and that is to promote high-ticket products. This is another controversial point. Some people view all high-ticket products as scams, but in reality it is not. There are indeed a number of scammers promoting low-quality products at a premium price. However, there are still many high-ticket products that are valuable and worth promoting. In order to achieve the results you want and be rich, promoting high-ticket products is the way to go. Why? Let me explain. Let's say you want to make 10K in affiliate revenue. Is it easier for you to generate 1,000 sales on a $10 product, or is it easier for you to generate 10 sales on a $1,000 product? It is a no-brainer that generating 10 sales on a $1,000 product is much easier, right? You have to acknowledge that there are a lot of people out there willing to spend $1,000 to improve their lives or businesses. So you shouldn't be looking at products that are just a few bucks, because you won't be rich selling those stuffs. You may argue that it is still possible if you have a large audience and traffic. However, it is still very difficult, to be honest. Next, secret number 3 is to understand whether the vendor knows how to sell. There are tons of people offering affiliate programs out there. To be honest, not many of them know how to sell. So don't assume that as long as the vendor has an affiliate program in place, then they should know how to sell. In fact, in order for your affiliate marketing business to be profitable, both you and the vendor you choose play a very important role. You have to convert your visitors to potential customers who will then click on your affiliate links. On the other hand, the vendor must be able to convert your potential customers into buyers. So what you need to do is to look at your vendor's sales page and analyze if the vendor really knows how to sell. This takes some practice and experience definitely. You should also check out the vendor's statistic if possible. For example, on ClickBank, some indicators include average commission per sale, average percentage per sale, average total review, so on and so forth. All these indicates your earning potential for this affiliate program. So in order to determine whether the vendor knows how to sell, you need to look at 2 things. Number 1, their sales page, and number 2, their affiliate statistics. Next, secret number 4. You need to know whether the product is an easy sell for you. In other words, the product must be relevant to your target audience. If it's not highly relevant to your target audience, it won't convert no matter how profitable the affiliate program is. So, this point is very straightforward. Do your necessary research and find products that your target audience want, which can help them solve their problems. Secret number 5. Find products which have a backend or recurring subscription. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to do something once and get paid again and again? I'm sure everyone does. A good way to do it with affiliate marketing is to promote products or programs that has a backend sale or a recurring subscription. One common example will be a membership site with a recurring fee. You only need to refer the customer once and you'll get paid commission every month or every year when he or she pays for the membership fee. Secret number 6. Are they sharing sales of the other products in the sales funnel with you? Usually, there won't be just one product in the funnel. Almost every company has funnels that include a number of upsells or other related products. If their affiliate program only pays you the front-end low-level commission, then stay away from them, because they are just making use of you to get cheap traffic and make a lot more money at the back end. You need to do your necessary research to see if the affiliate program you are promoting has a back-end sale and whether the company is sharing the sale commission with you as well. Because usually, it is the back-end high-ticket sales that make most of the money. Lastly, secret number 7. Make sure the product is good. No matter how tempting the affiliate program seems to be, you need to make sure the product is good. Don't just promote for the sake of promoting, because your customers are real human beings. The only way to achieve long-term success and really become rich is to make your customers happy and keep a good reputation. This is a no-brainer, right? There are a lot of ways for you to find out whether the product is good. For example, you can buy the product yourself, borrow it from others, or simply do a thorough research online and read other people's reviews. Now, let me give you a quick recap on the 7 secrets to choose the right affiliate program. Number 1. The affiliate product must be appealing to the mass. Number 2. Promote high-ticket products. Number 3. Analyze whether the vendor knows how to sell. Number 4. Make sure the product is an easy sale for you. Number 5. Find out whether there is a back-end or recurring subscription. Number 6. Find out whether they are sharing sales of the other products with you. And finally, number 7. Make sure the product is good. So now, you've got all the tips to choose an affiliate program that sells. However, that's not enough to make you rich. The next thing you need to work on is your marketing strategy. If what you are doing is to insert as much affiliate links into your content and promote your content as much as possible, you have to change. Also, if you're just sending promotional email with affiliate links to your list, it won't work either. In order to make affiliate marketing work, you need to have a good funnel in place and understand the customer purchasing life cycle. So, if you're goddamn serious about boosting your affiliate commissions and sales, I've got a free gift for you, as a gesture to thank you for watching my video to the end. Now, click on the button below this video to claim your free 4-step affiliate marketing blueprint. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link below in the description area and download your free gift. You know what? I really can't wait to work with you. If you have any questions about affiliate marketing or choosing affiliate programs, please leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'm Jerry from Smart Affiliate Success. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.